Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video, we are going to discuss book exercise of Unit 6, जिसका नाम है Television versus Newspaper. Let's start the discussion of book exercise for Unit 6. First, we'll discuss internal questions. First internal question is, what is one good thing about newspapers? Answer: newspapers do not require us to sit at a place and read the news. It's handy, and moreover, we can choose to omit certain aspects of the news in which we are not interested. Second question, how does television makes us lazy? Answer: watching news on television bounds the audience at one place. Watching news on television does not require any significant effort, as one can understand the news easily without any mastery of language, because everything is visual and auditory. This is how television makes us lazy. Third internal question is, which simile has the author used and why? Answer: author used simile of fast food and 10-course dinner. He has compared news on television with fast food, as the news on television can be watched in less time because it's not that detailed. Newspapers are compared with 10-course dinner because its news is very detailed and it takes time to be read.